Greg with Fun and Sun RV. Time for another walkabout. This time it's on our Surveyor 272 FLS. Check this out. This is a 5-sided aluminum superstructure, so your studs in your roof, floor, sidewalls, and on the back are all aluminum studding, and we'll start our walkabout at the front. This is in the luxury series, so this does give you a nice molded cap, and we do have the windshield in the front too, which is very, very nice. We do have a power front tongue jack on here as well. Also, we do have the nice 20-pound cylinders with a hard cover, and these are the exchangeable 20-pound tanks. And this is kind of nice. They got a little caddy here for actually storing your power cord when you're not plugged into the truck. Right there, nice little touch there. Our battery rack is set up so you could put 2 batteries on there if you would like. It's big enough. And then we do have a nice diamond plate stone guard on the front. And then in the front area here, we do have a nice pass-through storage compartment, which does have magnetic catches to hold the cabinet door open for you. And as you can see, you got a nice little pass-through storage area right there, and this is accessible from inside or outside. And also, this is a nice combination thumb lock and key lock. Also, you're going to have crank down stave jacks, one on each corner to give you more stability when you're at the campsite. We do have a power slide out on here as well. And also, we've upgraded all of our wheels to the aluminum wheels, so it does have forward brakes as well and nitrogen filled tires. And this is nice too, the marine cable hatch right here. No more pulling the cord out. Then you have your city water hookup, black water tank flush, and your cable and satellite hookups are right there. And this is really cool. In the back here, again, we do have a nice big, huge compartment door, and the cool thing about it, all of your bed frames are all aluminum on here, as well as the roof, floor, sidewalls, and back. All aluminum studding. Lightweight, much more durable. And again, the nice magnetic catches up on there to hold them closed, and the combination key lock and thumb lock right there. On the back, we do have a nice 4-inch sewer hose bumper. Your exterior lights and interior lights are LED. And this is cool too. You got the spare tire with a cover on it and a ladder so you can get up on top of the roof if you need to for any maintenance. And then it's all LED lights up on top with a backup camera prep. On the awning side, we have, again, the other side of that big, huge pass-through storage compartment. And incidentally, this cabinet is lit. But yeah, a ton of storage in here. Very, very, very nice. A nice full-length power awning on there as well. It does have your stereo speakers on the outside and a patio light. And then incidentally, in the roller tube, you have the LED light strip too. So when the awning is out, you do have a nice ambient light at nighttime. Over here will be your 110-volt plug, which is ground fault protected, and a cable hookup there for your TV. If you want to put the TV outdoors, you can do so. Then your 6-gallon DSI ignition hot water heater is right there, and then your furnace. And this is where you would fill your fresh water tank up, right there for your potable water tank. We do have the solid step, and what's really kind of nice is they do actually have a light here too. So we'd have a light so you can see at nighttime when you want to go into the trailer. And then you have the nice oversized grab handle. And this is the opposite side of that front storage compartment right there. And again, this is lit, so you do have a light in there as well. Nice touch. And right here, dog dish. So you got a dog dish caddy right there, so you can take your dog camping with you and have the bowls already there to take care of feeding them. This will be your solar charger hookup right there. So if you want to put a solar panel on here to trickle charge your batteries, you can do so. And again, like I say, it is pet friendly. They have the actual tie hook off here so you can hook their leash on there. Don't have to worry about them getting lost. And that about does it for the outside of the Surveyor 272 FLS. Let's check out the inside. And here we are inside the Surveyor 272 FLS. Check this out. We have a nice slide out right there, which does have the height of bed sofa, and this is such a slick operating sofa. All you do is grab that little strap, pull it out, and voila, your bed is down, and you lay on it lengthwise, so it is much more comfortable compared to a flip sofa or something of that nature. And to put her back up, all you have to do is grab a hold of this right here, lift her up, and again push it, and she locks right in just like that. At the very front, we do have a huge U-shaped dinette with storage cupboards down below, as well as USB charging ports, and you have those on both sides. Nice touch there, and that will make down into a bed if you need another bed. Nice overhead cupboards and a very, very nice barrel vaulted ceiling, so it gives you plenty of headroom, and plus increases your aerodynamics, which is nice. And you have overhead cupboard storage here as well. Nice shiplap treatment on the front wall, and all your bigger windows do have the room darkening pleated shade, and we have roller shades, the room darkening roller shades on the rest of your windows right there. Above the couch, we do have these nice backlit cabinets, so you can see what's inside there. And then we do have the Norcold refrigerator, which I believe this is the 12-volt refrigerator as well, so there's no gas to deal with at all on here. It is a double door, so you have a separate refrigerator and freezer, and you have a ton of storage inside that refrigerator compartment. To turn it on, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and she'll turn on, and then you're ready to rock and roll. Then we have a nice little touch here too. We have a combination pantry hang-up locker right here with 3 nice big drawers, all wood frame, full-length extension drawers. Nice little touch there. And then we have toward the back, we have a walk-in bathroom. Here we have a nice vanity there with plenty of storage down below, and storage area there, as well as a nice built-in medicine cabinet with a half shelf. Hey guys, good to see you. And again, nice room darkening shade with a window which opens up for ventilation right there. And then your systems monitor panel is located at that point. And this is nice too. Bathroom light, they have a kiddie switch on here so the kids can turn lights on without having to get mom and dad out of bed. And across the way from the vanity, you have a nice big walk-in shower that does have a tub surround, so it's actually a functional shower, and a nice skylight above there too, so you get nice natural light in there. And you do have this nice shower curtain which comes out, locks in like that, and it keeps it pulled away, so you have plenty of room inside the shower area. Plus you're going to have a nice deluxe foot flush toilet right there. And then farther forward, we do have our rear bedroom, which does give you a nice island 60 by 80 residential queen size bed. We do have shirt wards over here, which is nice, as well as 2 nice big full-length drawers right there, so you have plenty of storage in the bedroom. And this is true on both sides. You do have a plug and USB charging port down there too, so you can plug in CPAPs, charge your phones up, whatever. And this is a nice little feature too, double stack storage on either side of the bed, and you have this nice area here with a cup holder inside there, and this panel does lift up to give you hidden protected storage underneath that area as well. And they do the same thing on that side. Tons of side storage at the bed where you need it. And then have your window, and this is nice. They do have an overhead, nice deep bunker or locker back there for storing of clothes, whatnot. And again, like I say, everything is the same over here. Another shirt ward with drawers. And again, they're all the full-length extension wood drawer, not particle board that some manufacturers use. And then again, your 110 plug and your charging port on this side of the bed. Also a nice feature, your bed does have a lift-up storage capabilities on the inside, plus you have that full pass-through that you saw on the outside. So tons of storage in this particular unit. Very, very nice layout. All your interior lights are LED. They last a lot longer. They don't burn out near as quickly. And also, all of your luxury series Surveyors will have ducted AC. In the kitchen area, we have nice overhead cupboards. And as you can see, they're deeper. Right there. And you have a sink right here, which is a single bowl under counter mount sink with the nice feature here would be the one-piece countertop and a metal faucet right there. Over here you'll have a nice backsplash on the stove, and you do have a range. So you do have actually an oven, backlit knobs, and a nice 3-burner range top right there. And a window over there. Nice microwave with a power range hood. And this is really cool, your entertainment center. You have a lift up TV. All you do is push this button and the TV goes down all the way to the bottom when you don't need it. And then you got a nice big picture window there. When you're ready to watch TV, you just got to push that button and away she goes. You raise her up. Nice little touch. And then you do have your AM FM Bluetoothable stereo right here, as well as the switch, and this will be your electric fireplace right there, which does give you the ambience of the electric fireplace and also heats, so you can heat this trailer on gas or electric. Nice little feature there. And then right here, kind of cool, they put more storage, just a ton of extra storage in this trailer. Very nice features for a 27-footer. And that about wraps it up for the inside of the Surveyor 272. If you have any questions, you can contact Coopersville at 616-837-9768, or you can contact our Ludington location at 231-845-8282, or just visit us on the web at www.fnsrv.com. Again, this is Greg Grossenbacher with Fun & Son RV, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and happy camping. Bye-bye.